Hello, and welcome to Tree Surgeons Eastwood, the professional tree surgery business based in Nottingham. If you're in need of high-quality tree surgery services, look no further than Tree Surgeons Eastwood. In this video, we'll be telling you all about our range of services and how our experienced and qualified team can help you with all your tree-related needs. At Tree Surgeons Eastwood, we offer a range of services to help keep your trees healthy and your property safe. Our services include tree removal. Whether you need a tree removed because it's dead, diseased, or causing damage to your property, our team can help. We'll safely and efficiently remove the tree and dispose of it properly. Stump removal. If you've recently had a tree removed but the stump is still there, we can help. Our stump removal services will leave your property looking neat and tidy. Garden maintenance. Our team can help keep your garden looking its best with regular maintenance services, including pruning, weeding, and planting. Hedge trimming. Keeping your hedges trimmed not only looks great, but it also helps promote healthy growth. Let our team take care of this task for you. Industrial site maintenance. If you own or manage an industrial site, keeping the trees on the property healthy and safe is important. We can help with regular maintenance and emergency services as needed. Emergency services. At Tree Surgeons Eastwood, we understand that tree-related emergencies can happen at any time. That's why we offer 24/7 emergency services to deal with urgent issues. Whether it's a fallen tree blocking your driveway or a dangerous branch threatening your property, our team will be there to help. Our experienced and qualified team of tree surgeons is committed to delivering high-quality services to our clients, and we're available 24/7 to deal with any emergency tree-related issues. Contact us today for all your tree surgery needs.